Hi. Tips for architecture and interior design students. Master the basics. Focus on understanding basic concepts such as design principles and design elements. Exploring different styles. Study different architectural styles and movements and architectural schools. Engineering drawing practice. Develop your drawing skills. Use of technology. Learn about architectural software such as AutoCAD, Revit, Rhino, and 3ds Max. These tools are essential in modern practice. Visit sites. Whenever possible, visit construction sites and buildings. Create a portfolio early. Start compiling your best work from the beginning. Stay informed. Follow the latest architectural trends and innovations through magazines, blogs and conferences. Remember that architecture is both an art and a study, so embrace both sides in your studies.